Yo, 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 yo.
Yo, Indica.
I
Uh,
told you, bro.
welcome, Tube, to the weekly. Ah, shit! I think the thumbnail's wrong. Bollocks. 1 second. Uh, yep. The thumbnail's wrong. Give me a minute. How you doing, Indica? You okay?
We chilling, man. I nearly forgot about it. Smoking with a few buddies because I got accepted for my new job, so I had something to celebrate, you know.
So that's just an excuse, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Come on.
Yeah, of course.
I'm gonna be working at a hotel, a restaurant of an hotel. Come
Oh,
on.
nice. Right, there we go. Thumbnail's done.
Mm.
Right. Let me just send this out to the other Discords. We got a few people in here, to be fair. Not bad. And we got people in YouTube. Beautiful. Right, let me send this out to the Discords. Let me add that. Upload file. And we're good to go. Yeah, this one's probably going to be a fairly quick-ish one this week. I think. Maybe half an hour-ish I'll aim for. Just because I think the markets are going to be pretty damn slow. So there's no point just blabbering on. Unless you guys have questions and stuff. That is sent out. We're ready to go. Chat is open. YouTube chat is open. And we're good to get cracking. Yeah, right. Let's get... Oh, someone's... Let me just mute you. Sorry, mate. I have questions about EU. But gonna wait until you're there. Okay, sound. So first of all, let's address last week. I think pretty sure that we had like what 1 or 2-ish setups. EU was really nice. But actually, yeah, let's go for it. So really quickly, let me quickly see what it was. We had a few JPY retests, which got absolutely destroyed because of JPY news. Friday, this JPY news came out. I think some people took this. I'm not too sure. Apart from that, there was... Okay, so this was another one that some people took. Someone took... I think it was... Actually, no, I won't call him out just in case you don't want calling out. But he took, like, this, which was interesting, rather than that, which was really weird. Even though this was his level he was looking at, he took this one because apparently it lined up with a fib. That one confused me. I didn't really understand that one. Gold, I'll go through gold pretty much at the end, unfortunately. I go through currencies, then I go through commodities. EJ had a break and retest, which I didn't take, but this one, did it line up with anything? Shit. Oh yeah, we had this retest and this one. This one worked, did like 90 pips, which was really nice, but I didn't take. EU was the one of interest last week because on Friday we had a market close very close. As you can see, market closed, well, at the level, which I was not really happy with taking. If we have a look where market actually opened, where was it? It was... here? No. Sunday, Friday, Sunday, literally no. Oh, that gap there. Okay. So price has already tapped the level, done like 6 pips, came back to the level, and then, you know, instantly worked. That was an annoying one. Obviously, I didn't really want to take that because, first of all, I'm not taking a trade during Sunday spread hour. You know, normal spread hour is suicide. Sunday spread hour is wild. But yeah, that one worked a treat. So that was a bit of a annoying one. We had Aussie dollar CAD. This came to a level, and this, as you can see, it worked beautifully. Only did 35, but I wasn't really too comfortable with this level. I did talk about this in... Oh yeah, I did a market review. I don't think many people actually watched it though. Because I didn't really post many daily breakdowns last week. So, well, I didn't post any because the markets were slow, but instead I posted a market review going over, you know, the trades and potential trades and the trades we didn't take. So if you guys want to have a quick watch of this. And I also talked about like trading plan and patience and that type of stuff. So it's actually pretty good video to watch. I think it's about 20 minutes long. You can skip through most of it or just put it at 2x speed or something. But I talked about this trade and why I didn't take this trade, mainly because, so how I was saying about not being as mechanical, never do that again. Never do what again? Oh, I got a really nice hate comment today on Instagram. I think I put it in the lounge. Check this one. So obviously it's just a normal video of me, you know, just talk. I think it was about pips. I was talking. Oh no, it's one of the old ones where I talked about fib retracement. All right, look at this comment I got. Nobody cares about your face. You can hide it in the future.
Whoa, that's rough.
And I think I replied, I was like, cheers, mate, I'm insecure now. Yeah. Bro, some of the hate, like Instagram is wild. TikTok is chilling. You'll rarely get hate comments on TikTok. You just get like nice comments or questions. Instagram, on the other hand, is wild. You get so many. It does keep me entertained though. I didn't understand these levels before, but he said he uses Wix, like any Wix. Yeah, I mean, fair enough, but then you've got, you know, you got to be cautious of the size of the wick. Like some wicks I will take, like this, for example. That's I mean, it's only 40 pips, but for Aussie CAD, that is a really nice wick. But, you know, I wouldn't really take, you know, one of these little ones. I prefer like the lone standing, you know, like this, for example. How it's just on its own, just completely out there, separate level, 50 pips. I wouldn't really take, you know, that. I don't really like that. You do not see the first comment of me. What you said, never do that again. I don't know what you're referring to. But yeah, anyway, I didn't take this trade. Oh yeah, I was talking about, sorry, I got sidetracked already. Talking about being mechanical and sort of losing that mechanical stuff and instead sort of creating a story or reasoning behind each trade rather than just going, okay, fib, ATR, level, okay, I take the trade. Actually understand why you're taking this trade, like what is actually happening right now. We've had a move up, retracement, move up, and now we're seeing a, you know, a 61% retracement into this level. But then go a bit deeper and go, okay, what has actually happened within, you know, this area of price? We've had a move, a really harsh retracement down to pretty much this wick in this daily level. We've then had a fat ass retracement, a move back into the level, and then a really weak retracement. And obviously this is only what, 60 pips. And now we've had a heavy move past this level here, into this level. So of course, if we are, you know, taking buys from down here, take profits are probably going to be a bit skew with because, you know, we've got this as the break and retest. And, you know, price has already had a fat ass reject. This is a massive rejection for Aussie CAD. And it's done it once and then, you know, it's done half the move again. What are the chances of it's happening to this level for the third time, a bit lower, and also giving us a move? You wrong. Right, what's going on in the YouTube today? Swear to God. Someone said never do that again, and now someone's saying you're wrong. That trade is very valid. Oh, right, okay. Oh. I mean, if you think it's valid, fair play, but for me, I'm not saying it's not valid, but I'm saying statistically it has a lot lower chance of providing a pullback because it's done these two moves here, which is, if we actually look at the daily level, you're technically looking at that because of the wick. And it's tapped into that once, done a huge ass move for Aussie CAD, almost tapped into it a second time. Now we've had a really nice move into this level, which is good. We've had a strong push. Plus this level is only 80 pips, remember. So what's the chance of this providing another decent pullback for us? It's probably a lot less. You know, but if we would have had just one strict move straight into it, and we, you know, ignored all this, just one strict move into it, yeah, it would have been all right. What do you say? That trade is very valid. Leon, look, the name, it's me, Jay. Oh.
Yes,
oh, right.
It's me.
Not bad. I was going to fucking ban you there, you little bitch. Right, everyone's starting today, I swear to God. That last candle is a fat doji. Yeah, that's what doji is that? I forgot. There's a gravestone doji, a butterfly one.
Morning star or something.
Nah, morning star is a candlestick formation where you have like a candle like that, and then you have a doji, and then you have a bullish candle. That's a morning star, and then you have an evening star, which is that.
But it's the same as the previous normal candle, right?
What do you mean?
No, the one you just drawn out. The evening star.
No, this is the opposite. An evening star is normally at the top of an uptrend, and then you'll have like a bullish candle, then you'll have like that thing, and then it'll go down. Whereas this is the opposite. That's a sword. Chemo called it a sword. I don't know if that's a technical term, but I mean maybe, yeah. Yeah, it's a sword. I guess it does look like a sword. Right, let's go through the analysis. This is going to be very quick. So, pound Aussie, we'll start off with this. Nothing really happened last week. We had a nice push-ish up, and there was really no levels tapped. We have this as a not massively keen level. Then you have this one, which again is a bit weird because, you know, if we have a hefty reaction from that, and then we break, I wouldn't really want to take this. I would take this one though, or I'd be a lot more confident in this top level if we saw a clean break through this. Then, you know, if we had ATR or some sort of alignment with another pound pair, then yeah, sure, I'll go for that one. But this one, I'm not the biggest fan. I'll say that. I don't know why. And then this level, this one's also been skew whiffed because, you know, this was the level, but we've sort of had a reaction here to the sort of top of the level, these wicks here, and now this is the new level, which again is super awkward. I wouldn't take it anytime soon unless we had a nice move up and then saw a retracement into this. But again, if we saw a clean break through this and a tap straight into this level and some sort of alignment, yeah, 100% I'd go for that. So nothing of super interest on pound Aussie. I'm just going to put that there as well as an intro. Pound CAD, we've had nothing again really. We had a tap into this level which was created on Sunday, like 100 pips. I mean, yeah, you could have went for it. It's more of an intro level. I wouldn't really class that as a strong daily level. Yes, it's 100 pips, but not massively keen compared to, you know, one of these levels or this level. What do we have now? Absolutely nothing. You got this as like a nice little intro level, which again I wouldn't really go for. You maybe use it for alignment and that's about it. You have this level here, which again is a weird one. 110 pips, more of an intro level again. I'd rather use this again as alignment and take, you know, a different pound pair. Let's say we had pound US dollar buys with a really nice level but no fib ATR. I would take it if, you know, pound CAD came to this level and lined up, for example. But yeah, nothing of interest there really. Actually this level. Potentially if we see a break of these lows and price continues down, then oh shit, this could be a really nice break and retest actually, this level. If we have a clean break through this, or, you know, if it's not clean, then we wait for the tap back into this level. That would be nice as well.
When there's a break and retest, do you enter off the break and retest, or do you wait for it to tap into a fib line?
Well, I'll only take a break and retest if it lines up with a fib or an ATR. Okay. So this makes let me think of an example. I think we had shit. What did we have? We did have a really nice break and retest on a pound pair, pound Swiss, I think. Aha, this one. Okay, so it's this one. This was like, oh, this is February. So this, when it breaks with one clean candle, that is instantly so much nicer. So much nicer. So this was the level here. Really strong level. That's an obvious level. It's not just a shitty little retracement level. As you can see, really clean, just one candle, whack straight through it, 125 pips. Then I would only take this break and retest as long as there's ATR or fib or maybe some sort of alignment. And as you can see with this one, there was fib. So when I'm actually entering a break and retest, I always enter off of the wick. So I'll literally enter at the very top of this wick.
Oh, okay.
So that would be my entry. And obviously if you want to go one-to-one, you can, or you can target the next hourly level. But this one, I didn't take this one. I know a few people did, but it literally tapped entry at the exact same time as like some heavy impact USD news came out. But this one, like, as you can see, literally sniped entries and worked. I don't know how much it worked. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it worked very nice. But like entries are super, super accurate with break and retest. They're really, really nice. But yeah, that's an example of
You
break and
use it as a
retest.
confluence in your fib plan.
They'll use what as a confluence, sorry?
Break and retest.
Yeah. So I just see a break and retest as like a level. They're not really at a confluence. Like I'll never enter a trade if there isn't a level there. There has to be either a strong daily level or you know, a break and retest level. That's it. If there's not that, then there's nothing there. Like I'll never take a trade from nothing. Like here, for example, the only 2 levels I see is this one up here and this one down here. I will not take a trade until one of these levels is tapped, even if it's 2 months.
Cool.
So that is like the necessary. And then for me to actually take these trades, I either want to see ATR line up, these weird little dots, a fib line up, like this one, for example. This one's nice. Or if there's none of that, but the level's still really nice, I'll look for alignment. And for example, with GJ, I could look for potentially, I don't know, another JPY pair. So we could go USD JPY, and maybe, for example, USD JPY, let's say GJ comes down to this level and bounces, and UJ comes down to this level and bounces. So that's alignment across JPY pairs. So then I can choose, okay, do I want to take USD JPY or GJ?
Which one you like more, yeah?
Yeah, and obviously if they both don't have any confluences, you just pick the one that's stronger level. But if UJ ends up having like a fib and GJ doesn't, then fuck it, yeah, I'll go UJ.
Yeah, UJ.
It can also be dependent on like if this level's like super duper wide and it's going to be awkward to get entries, but this one's like really small, I'll go this one.
Smaller, yeah.
Or you know, if like, you know, GJ is super volatile, or I could take like another pair that is less volatile. You know, depending on your risk, you could go for the less volatile one. It's completely dependent on what you want to do. That happens quite a lot, actually. It's weird. Like some weeks we'll have like shit ton of alignment, and some weeks it'll just be like silent. But alignment is, oh, you can also have alignment with like, so we have by the way, for the people who do trade, Indica's like sort of learning MCR at the minute, so yeah. Just going over some of the things. You can also have alignment with market drivers, and the market drivers are things like the DXY, UK 100, J225, US 500. These are the stock markets, and these basically, if you see a heavy move on a currency pair, it's either going to be caused because of one of the stock markets, a news release, or big fundamentals. That's it. So you can go straight away and, you know, we can see pound absolutely dumping. And if there's nothing on Forex factoring, like, why the fuck is it dumping? Just go straight to the UK stock market. And as you can see, whack, it's pumped like fuck. And with stock markets, they're inversely correlated. So if you see a UK 100 going up, that means that the pound is going down. So let's say we have, like this, for example, see this strong sell level here. What we would do is we know that when UK 100 comes up to this strong sell level, that means that UK 100 is going to go down and the pound is going to go up. Yeah, so we'll look for pound dollar buys at the same time as this. Yeah. So that is like the ultimate setup. So for example, we had UJ, I think it was UJ the other week, and obviously you can use J225. We were looking for, I'll show you. Let me go back. So we had this strong level on J225, and obviously once price comes up to this, we're expecting a move down. And J225 down means JPY up. And we were looking for UJ sells. I know this is going to get a little bit confusing. So we were looking for UJ sells, which means USD down and JPY up. And obviously, this correlates. Yeah. And if you have a look at the exact same time as our UJ sells hit, so we were looking for sells from this level here, you can see this tapped on Wednesday. And if you look what happened on Wednesday, on here, we tapped, and that was like the ultimate. Like if you can find alignment across the stock market, or for example DXY, That is like probably the highest probability setup you can possibly get. So for example, on DXY, we've got a really nice sell level. So DXY is just the dollar currency index, and it's basically the strength of the dollar against like other currencies. And this is directly correlated. So if DXY hits a really strong sell level and moves down, that means the US dollar is also going to go down. So what we could look for is, let's say, pound dollar. Obviously, we're expecting the dollar to go down. So that means dollar down, pound buys. So we'll be looking for pound dollar buys. So if there's a strong buy level on pound dollar next week, which maybe, I don't know, it's not the nicest level, but it is a level. So if we saw this level at the same time as this, like, no matter what, I'll take that trade. Even if there isn't a fib, ATR, that is a fucking beautiful trade. So yeah, that's like the number one confluence that I'll look for. Yeah. Leon, what did you use to make your new trading plan? Yeah, Notion. I just used Notion. It's sort of ish. Oh shit, one sec. Got some video ideas and stuff. Trading plan. That's pretty much. I mean, there isn't much else to add to that. Let me go full screen. That is pretty much everything. I don't know if there is anything else to add to that. You've got how to actually find a trade, how to look for alignment, the main confluences and secondary confluences, your risk management, when to cancel a trade, and what to do when there's news or market flows in place. I don't think there is anything else. Like, yeah, it doesn't have to be super complex, but if you do want it to, like, I mean, what would be good is, like, if you guys ask a question like, oh, what do you do if this was to happen? If I went to my trading plan and it wasn't there, that means, you know, I need to add more details to the trading plan, because this should cover like every possible, you know, question or thing that can happen. There shouldn't be a single thing that can happen in the markets where I'm like, oh shit, what do I do? Spread hour. That's a good one. Let me write that down. Spread hour. What do you do if a trade's approaching but spread hour is going to hit? That should be in your trading plan. Because like, the more you have in your trading plan, obviously, the less you have to worry about, and the emotions won't fuck you up, because all you do is go to your trading plan and go, okay, I do this, is this, done. That's it. There's no need to stress about shit. What is ATR? ATR is just fuck, one sec. Average I don't know where we were. Right? Yeah, it stands for average true range, which actually, shit, I made a fucking video on this. I'll do it through TikTok. Here you go. I'll just send you the link. What is ATR?
Right, no, watch it. Let's watch it.
Can't make you a millionaire, but I promise. No. I'd rather get more views on a TikTok. I'll let everyone watch it separately. It's really basically, I use it as like an additional confluence for levels. So these little dots here, these two dots, basically, if they line up with a level, let's say we have this level and ATR lines up with this level, that's like an additional confluence. So it's the same as like using a fib, for example. But ATR can be used for so many different things. People use it as like a trailing stop loss. They use it as a take profit. They use it as something else. I can't remember what else they use it for. Like an overbought, oversold indicator. You can use it for so many different things, but I just use it as like basically a key level. So like the UJ trade the other week, this one, there was nothing there apart from ATR. So if I delete all this, you'll see if we draw our little zone where we were looking for entries, this zone right here, you'll see how ATR lined up within our zone. So now for me, that's an extra confluence for this trade. And well, I mean, as you can see, fucking worked at absolute charm. Obviously, it didn't tap ATR exactly, but it missed by like, 5-10 pips. This is probably the sexiest trade I've caught of the year so far. We caught entries from there. It's fucking beautiful. And on that Alpha Capital account, fucking caught 90 pips. I was buzzing with that. That was an absolute degen hold, but oh well. Right, let's carry on going through the analysis. Pound Swiss. absolutely fuck all. You have technically got that level, which is like 170 pips, but I don't really like it. Yeah, it was really nice. And that UJ trade as well had like alignment with DXY and J225, which was like, even if it wouldn't have worked, I wouldn't have given a shit, because that trade was like the most textbook trade I could possibly take. And it was like a 10-10 setup as well. You couldn't get anything more really, apart from maybe a little fib somewhere. GN, again, nothing. You've got this weird level here, which I'm not really keen on. It's like a break and retest, to be fair, though. Apart from that, you've got like this little intro level, and then you got this one up here, so I'm not really asked. GU, yeah, we have multiple buy levels, which is, again, a little bit awkward. I'd rather take it from this, I think. This one is a bit shit, because it's just this move. This one's a bit better, because it's that entire move. And then this one's a bit of a shitter as well. This is such an awkward one, because you got three... basically the same level. It's all this one level here, but three separate entries. So again, you could actually just split your entries if you wanted to. You could go like one here, and you know, one a bit lower if you wanted to, and go 1%, 1%, or 0.5%, 0.5%. But if you want to be a degen like me, just go full entries on one of them. I'll probably go, you know, somewhere around here. But I don't think there's any fib or anything. Oh shit, actually there might be. One sec. No, there's no fib. So this, I'll be looking for hopefully a nice strong move into level. If we have like a little pussy retracement from that thing again, and then a move into it, I don't know. I'd rather just see one nice strong level, break this, and then, you know, straight into here. If we start dilly-dallying around this level as well, this zone, then I'll fuck it off. I just want one strict move straight into this low here. And obviously if we see DXY at that high, that'll be, yeah, beautiful. This will be a 100% trade. So we mark that out for buys, actually. Let me go through them. And let me ping an alert as well. Do that. Add alert. Add alert. Yep, there we go. Thank you. Euro Aussie. So we have some weird levels in Euro Aussie as well. We have this one, which not a fan. And then this entire zone here, you have this, which is a weird one. You've got like all of this, which is a bit of a mess. I'd rather just wait for a breakout of this level and then, you know, a nice buy from this. Yeah, I seen the alignment DXY. That's what made me hold through news. Ooh, risky, risky, risky. I think with my entry as well, I held it through FOMC, obviously, and put stop loss to break even. I think it came back to break even and missed tagging me out by like 1 pip and then dumped like 150. So I got extremely lucky. Extremely, extremely lucky. I'm not complaining though. Not complaining at all. I'm just thinking, do I get a little Instagram story up again? No, I can't be asked. I need to carry on posting on the Instagram story, but the only thing I post is every time I do a breakdown. I need to actually start just normally posting on it. Oh well. Shit, sorry YouTube, I didn't see the comments. Sorry, you're not seeing all comments, nothing against you. Just saying the Sunday spreads are crazy, you were right. -800 for me. Oh, sorry about that. Hello sir, I think you need a good thumbnail designer or video editor. You trying to say my thumbnail is shit? Nah, I'm all good, thank you man. I don't upload enough videos to need a thumbnail designer, to be honest. Yeah. Thanks for the offer though. Yeah, you're Aussie. Not really asked. Nothing there. You're a CAD. We've tapped this level. We do have... Oh shit, break and retest. Ooh. Ooh. Was anyone looking at this? Has anyone actually done their analysis? For the people who trade MCR at least, do you guys do your analysis before the call, or do you do it like at the same time? Or do you do it tomorrow? What do you guys do? Majority of yous. Before. Fair enough. Before, yeah, okay. Yeah, I guess it's good because then obviously you can compare to what I've got. Makes sense. Before. I haven't said that, but can I reach out to you on Instagram? No, it's all right, mate. I don't really need a editor or anything like that. Until I'm like, you know, busy 24/7 and, you know, I don't really have time to be editing videos all the time, then, yeah, then I'll need one. But for now, I mean... yeah, I've got plenty of time. I kind of enjoy editing my own videos. It's kind of fun. It's a nice skill to learn. Usually do it before, but I wasn't going to look at charts till Tuesday. That's fair. MCR, your trading strat. Yeah. That's the name we've given it. Yeah, this, anyway. 200 pip move down. This wick is technically 120. And it also provided like an extra 70 there. How much your mentorship cost? How much would you pay for my mentorship? You give me an offer, and I'll let you know. And then based upon your offer, I'll say yes or no. Let's see if this lines up. Fuck yes, it lines up. I feel like that's too small though. Why does that fib look absolutely tiny? 196 pips. That's really nice though. That level there, and then you've also got this level as, I guess, a backup. 8 pips away as well. That's not bad at all. So that break and retest does look pretty juicy, and it's a clean break as well. Really clean. 200. You pay me 200 a month. Accept. Yes, I'll say yes. I'll send you bank account details after this. Chilling. No, I'm joking. I do it for completely free. Yeah, well, actually, you know what? I'll talk about this quickly. One-to-ones. So a lot of people have actually been asking, especially with like people see me through Instagram and stuff. The people are happy with, you know, the group mentorship, like these calls. I do obviously this analysis every Sunday, and then normally every Thursday I'll do like a group mentorship. So people hop in, ask about, you know, their trading plan, what trades they've taken, all that stuff, and I obviously give them free advice and talk about stuff. So that's like a group mentorship session, completely free. But a lot of people have been actually asking about like private one-to-one calls, which I've been thinking about, to be fair. Obviously MCR and everything will remain completely free, but for the people who want, like, you know, want to hop on a call with me for like, you know, an hour or two, obviously I can't really do that for free. So I was actually thinking about starting some one-to-one mentorships for people that, you know, want private one-on-one, one-to-one. What are you on about, Jed? For, you know, for the people that want the private calls, but it has to be worth my time. I can't really do it for £10 an hour, you know, because it's not really going to be worth it. I don't know. What do you guys think is of, like, for you, for the people that know me as well and like the value I'll give? Obviously I've got value myself. What do you guys think would be a fair price for like a 1 hour session? Let's say I did it per session. I was thinking, you saying 60 an hour? Fuck yeah, 50 quid, 50 or 100. Fuck, you know, I'm gonna be rolling in it, chilling. I was thinking between like 30 and 50-ish. Fucking hell, everyone's saying 50, okay. I was gonna kind of feel bad for 50 an hour, but to be fair, I was thinking about it, like, you can do like guitar lessons and shit, and sometimes that's like 40 an hour. Like a driving lesson is like 35, 40. And all they're doing is teaching you how to fucking drive. I'm teaching you how to become a millionaire. So I think that's worth, you know, a little bit more. I mean, obviously that's been a bit dramatic, but so I guess like charging 50. I know someone who used Daniel FX was 150 for 2 sessions. I was speaking to Daniel FX today. Oh yeah, I've signed up. Daniel FX is doing a I don't think it's him, but he's doing it in partnership with Alpha Capital. I don't know what he's doing, but he's wanting to do a Forex influencers boxing event, and he's like invited TGR and done a few videos with TGR. I've sort of signed up. I don't know obviously if I'll end up doing it, but if so, I have 3 months to train. I'll be in London in 3 months. So if anyone wants to, if I am potentially doing it, if you want to come down and see me get absolutely smacked up, feel free. Honestly, if I lost that, I would get absolutely bullied for the rest of my trading career. Especially if I got beat up by like some little... I'll be in the heavyweight as well. Can I be the opponent? No, Jed, you're too nice to fight. I could honestly never punch you. You're such a nice person. You'll beat TGR in a boxing match. No, he's pretty hefty, isn't he? He's pretty thick. And he's tall as shit. I think we're definitely the same height. I think he's, what? I'm 6'4". But I'll be heavyweight, man. You are 6'4", you'll beat most of them if they don't know. I mean, yeah, to be fair. Tall guys are so nice. All right, easy, got it. Don't do it. Thanks. And I was... €100 would be normal per hour. 50 would be ideal. And I would suggest taking minimum amount of hours. Yeah, I mean, I'd probably do the first session would be cheaper. or something like that. Oh no, I'll do the first, let's say it's just 50 an hour. And then, you know, I'll do like, you know, 5 sessions is only 200 or something like that. I don't know. It's mad. I was in a call that gave him the boxing idea. Oh, really? I also told him about Alpha Capital as they were asking for influencers last year. Then they banned me and took a 2k power out of my 100k funded. That's such an L. What weight are you? I'm 95 kg, like just over 210 pounds. I'm pretty hefty. I've only just started doing cardio. I've not been doing cardio at all for like the past 3 months, but I'll say my belly's been getting big. I've been bulking up, going to the gym, but you know, not a single bit of cardio. But this week I went on 2 runs this week actually. Did like 10k in total. Fucking buzzing. Anyway, right, let's carry on. Eurocad break retest looks sexy. Oh shit, yeah, no, even if it retraces on Monday, yeah, I'll happily take that. ATR will be even nicer. That'd be beautiful. If we see some sort of alignment, just realized I'm like way off the camera. Some sort of alignment with some other pair, Euro pair, that'd be even nicer. To clear things up, you don't just private message people on alt accounts to mentor them. No. If you're getting a message from some dodgy Leon saying, I can make you 3 million in a week, that's not me.
It's always a scam.
I rarely ever message people first, unless I've told you I'm messaging you. Just always check the profile. So just click on my profile and you'll see my name is Leon Forest. I have all the weird little effect things and shit. Click on their profile and it'll say like, it'll have an underscore or an extra letter, or it most likely won't have the animations and stuff. And all these little badge things. So make sure you check, please. But yeah, Eurocad sells. Euro Swiss, not really looking at anything, to be honest. This was the level I was potentially interested in. Obviously, it's quite a wide level, which, oh shit, did get tapped and it did work. 30 pips wide, it had ATR at the high, so I probably wouldn't have got tapped into that, to be fair. But we have now created a new fucking level. Yeah, I could even tell by the English they were speaking seemed off. Yeah, probably because they weren't English, that's why. I am really interested to see like those scam people who like fake people's accounts. I'm always interested to see what they look like and like where they live. Are they in some like dingy dark apartment just sat there trying to, you know, hack into people's shit? I don't know. Or is it just like a normal person? Don't know. Actually, I wouldn't really like to see that, to be fun. That, to be fair. Euro JPY breaking retest worked. It's a bit of a shithole now. We've got this low down here and we've got the high up here, which I wouldn't really be interested in taking straight away. Yeah, it's done 200 pips. How do I get the ATR? You can get it through the Discord, or because I'm feeling nice, I'll send it into the YouTube chat. Give me 2 seconds. How many upvotes? 235. Fucking hell, we're famous. 235 for a private indicator. That's pretty cool. I do promote the shit out of it on TikTok sometimes, though. Yeah, nothing else on EJ, really. Boring. Euro into D, again. You got like a messy break and retest, which has sort of already worked with this weird-ass wick. And then you've also got this as a secondary break and retest, which like missed by a few pips. I think this one we were actually interested in taking. I can't remember. I'm going to mark that level out just to have a look. It's a weird one, but I might throw like half a percent at it if it does, you know, line up, which it sort of does. It's just keep on hiccuping, man. This is sort of fucked. This weird retest thing that came down to this level. Not really happy with that, but you could just class that as like a messy break and retest. Sorry, I missed chat. Look, I got 2 setups I'm looking at and I'll let you know if you don't point them out. Have I not pointed them out so far? EU, nothing. Haven't got to them yet. Oh, okay. EU, you've got a low. Obviously, this low is absolutely sexy. Key level. Lytix, what have you got? Let's see. It's not letting me open it. Open. EU. Oh, no way. Fuck off, it lines up with a 61. Oh, go on. There's actually 1 second. Go on. It's a bit wide, but yeah, it lines up. We'll take it. Obviously, we would only take this if it actually pushes past the 61 and tapped into the level. If, you know, we're looking at this level and price does this at the 61, then comes into level, we're fucked. So as long as it has a nice strong move into it, psych level as well. Oh shit, yeah, psych level as well. Beautiful. Wait, I read someone's message before it, but I didn't say it out loud. Oh shit, sorry, it was a... Wait, are you still in here? Yeah, I saw you said, what was it? Oh, definitely going to be getting involved a lot more. Come from FXC, we'll love to do one-on-one too, bro, defo. Oh shit, nice. It's pretty fun seeing people from Cartel. There's been quite a few people. I see a lot of people like watch my stories and shit on Instagram from FX Cartel that I used to know, which is pretty cool. And then we have like a few FX Cartel people that hop in here or they hop into YouTube, which is really cool. I try to be friendly with them, but I don't think they like me, which is a bit sad. Oh well. But yeah, that'd be good, man. And then we've got all the rich dudes, pauper trader dudes as well. We've got quite a few. I mean, I've promoted Pauper's thing quite a bit in here because he's really good with like market flows and how the market actually works. That helped me a shit ton. Like he's the one who introduced me to like market flows and, you know, market drivers and understanding like why the fuck is price pumping right now. That has honestly helped me so much. I don't actively use it to take trades, but like at the beginning of the day, I'll quickly scroll for everything. If I see pound pumping and, you know, there's nothing on Forex Factory, most people will be like, oh, why the fuck is pound pumping? But if you actually just do the research and know what to look for, you can see, oh shit, you know, stock market came up with this morning and it's fucking dumped. That's why pound is pumping. Or people won't see that and they won't even check bonds. You know, bonds could be pumping, or US 30 or US 500 or DXY could be making a move or something like that. And also flows does help when, you know, we're seeing a really hefty push. Let's say, for example, this level, like this was a fat ass move into this level, which would scare most traders. Or people would take it not knowing what's going on and get fucked. So that's when market flows can be very helpful. So for example, I mean, I went over, where's the notion? There, market flows. So where is it? If flows are occurring, same principle applies. Find out the cause, wait for the driver to hit a level, or wait for flows to lose momentum. So let's say this massive move on EU is because, what's this? Euro weak, pound, no, dollar strong, which means S&P 500 will be going down. This could be on the back of S&P 500 hitting a really strong swing level and it dumping, and that causes the US dollar to gain strength. Most people might not know that and they just think it's because of some shitty little yellow folder news. Then obviously I wouldn't really want to take a trade on this until we either, like I said, one, we lose momentum, or two, the driver hits the level. So US 500 is absolutely dumping. If it's coming towards a really nice buy level, then yeah, sure, I'll then take a trade on this because then we're going to see, you know, the counter. Or if there isn't a buy level coming up, I'll check the 1 hour and I'll wait for price to actually lose momentum. So as you can see here, we had the initial move, price then chilled for a bit, then we had that secondary move, and as you can see, it lost momentum. We ranged, had a move, ranged, and this is the momentum gone. This obviously is this bit and this bit. This is where you don't want to take a trade because that's where you'll get fucked. You want to wait until we see some sort of, you know, where price just chills out. Then you find to take a trade. And for the people who get confused with flows, that is basically what it is. Just knowing when to take a trade and when not to take a trade. Just because price, you know, flows are occurring or all the pound is going down doesn't mean you can't take a trade. If it's going down very aggressively and it's dumped like 200 pips in the past 15 minutes, yeah, of course, don't fucking take a trade. But if it's dumped 200 pips on a daily time frame, you're like, oh shit, it's fucking dumping. No, go to the 30-minute and it's probably chilled out. As long as it's chilled out for like the past 5 hours, you know, it's had that initial 200 pip, but now it's just sat ranging and fucking doing nothing. It's lost volume. There, yeah, you're fine. Take a trade. Go for it. That's all flows is. It's just knowing when to take a trade and when not to take a trade. Like when I first started learning about flows and like market drivers and stuff like that, I fucked myself up massively because I overcomplicated the shit out of it. Like I'd see as soon as flows are occurring, okay, don't take a trade. Like shit, this isn't gonna work. And then it'd work. And I'm like, what the fuck? I thought flows were occurring and the trade just worked. But then I realized like, no, you don't want to like sort of obsess with it or obsess over it. That's when it can mess you up a little bit. Just be conscious of it. That's it. Just know that it's going on or know what is happening. Yeah. I went on a rant there. I don't even know what started that, to be honest. Anyway, let's carry on with the analysis. EU, yes, it's a nice buy. Lytix, beautiful trade. Nice point out. Thank you for that. Apart from that, nothing. Let's mark out a buy. Boop. Aussie CAD, yeah, the 61's done its thing. That is gone now. Not really interested in that. We have this level, which is valid. However, this sort of fucks it up because we got this little wiki bastard, which has only done 100, and it's sort of fucking our level up. Why is it in the way of our level? Little shit. Because 100%, we'll look for entries here. Price will come, tap into this wick and fuck off. But then, you know, oh, right, okay, you know what? We'll counter that by entering here. No, price goes up, taps entry at the top, taps our stop loss, fucks us off. These are so annoying, but this is a nice level. If we do see a break of this level and price comes to entry, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's draw a fib on this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. 61. Gorgeous. Was that the setup, Libby, or have I still not gotten to it? I'm guessing I've still not gotten to it. Apart from that, we've got the low down here, which... Not yet. Fucking hell. Oh, we still got quite a few to go, to be fair. And then we got that level. No, 61 shit. Nothing there at all. AJ, we got some confusing shit here. That break and retest. Did anyone take the AJ break and retest? Anyone catch this? The 61 break retest? Or not? Yes. Oh shit, you took it, Joe. Yeah, that worked so nice. Yeah, congrats if you caught that, man. Took AU on an account instead. Ew, what? You took AU over AJ? Why did you choose AU over AJ? Would you be so kind to share your watch list? Of course, of course. Because you asked so nicely. Happily. Here you go. Boop. DXY was coming to a level at a time. Oh, shit. Okay, fair enough, fair enough. Yeah, AJ break retest worked a treat. It's just a bit of a shitter, isn't it? That would have been a really nice trade last week, but the reason I didn't take that was because we had 2 retests. This one got fucked, and market close was here. And I said, as long as we carry on dumping straight into this level, I'll happily take it. But if we see some sort of retracement, then there's not as much conviction for this, because I was looking for a hefty retracement and a hefty move into the singular retracement, and it already had that retracement done. Because we broke like every single fib level. We broke the 23, the 38, the 50, it closed at. I was like, yeah, if we carry on to the 61 and not a single fib level has retraced, fuck yes, that's a beautiful trade. But the 50 provided like 70 pips. So I wasn't as comfortable taking this trade. But it is what it is. Yeah, it's, don't know. Like for me, probabilities, I don't think that had as high of a chance as working compared to if it, like, you know, carried on dumping straight to level, made the move. I think that statistically would have had a much higher chance of working. So I wasn't comfortable with taking that. But fair enough, if you took it, GG. I don't like. Yeah, I don't like. Do I like? No. Do I like? I don't really like the longer term break retests. I don't know. I'm weird about them. I prefer like the really recent break retest, sorry. I don't like them when, you know, they're from like fucking 2 months ago. Does it have a fib? Hopefully not, so that means I don't have to take it. Fuck, it lines up so nice. Oh, bastard. I hate when it does this. Like, when I see a setup that's like, it's nice, it's really good, but I don't like it. When I draw a fib, I really don't want it to align. Because then, you know, I can say, okay, don't align, I'm not taking it. But then when a fib aligns, I'm like, shit, it is actually really nice. The level is not amazing, but oh, fuck, it lines up so perfect. I start feeling guilty. I don't know. It's like, oh, come on, just take it, Leon. That is actually really nice. And this level is a good level. Obviously, it's a double level as well. We've got like that, which was 200 almost. So I will keep an eye out on it, and I'll have a look. I'll see what happens next week. If we see clear price action, then yeah, I'll probably give it a go. It's worth 1%. Should have a look at the data on how long ago level was created. I'll have to fuck off. I'm not starting to do that. No, fuck off with data shit, Libby. I've already gone through that process once. Don't, because you'll get me like sat there for the next fucking 72 hours, and I'll go absolutely crazy and go on a 10 losing streak. Don't even start. To be fair, I don't give a shit. I'm not bothered. I'll just take the trade. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. At this point, the strategy works, and if I take a loss, I'm not asked. I cannot be bothered with data anymore. That honestly fucked me up so bad. Like, I haven't done a single bit of backtesting since like I went back to one-to-ones. I just don't care. Because I know the original strategy works fucking beautifully, and there is no need to backtest. I saw Vargo talking about this actually. Vargo was saying like, he's backtested over like the past 3 years. He's backtested like thousands of trades, even though he knows his strategy works amazingly. And he's like, why the fuck am I backtesting? Like, I'm just wasting time sat here backtesting something that already works. Like, I don't need it to be any better. It already works amazing. So he's like, yeah, I'm fucking off backtesting. So on his Instagram story, he said he's like not going to do backtesting for like the next few years. He doesn't really need to anymore. There's no point wasting time on it, which is completely fair. So I'm just going to chill, get my trading back on track, do well. I think I'm only like, I think 1 to 2 trades away. Some accounts I'm at break even already. But I think I'm like 1 to 2 trades away. Well, 1 to 2% away-ish. Back to break even and making money, which is nice. But I can't lie, I'm craving to up my percentage again. I don't know, I can't do it, man. I saw an Instagram post as well, like the other day, like it was saying, if you're so confident in your strategy, why are you only risking 1%? I was like, shit, that's true. That's true. Which is kind of true. Like, yeah, if you're so confident, why are you only risking tiny amounts? I get, you know, it's sort of safe, but it's sort of degenerate at the same time. It's Q Banks. I think it's Q Banks. It's on his Instagram story. But I guess obviously funded accounts, it makes sense. Yeah, of course. Yeah, risking 2% is a bit scary. You take 2 or 3 losses in a row and you'll fuck yourself up like I did. But luckily the third one I only risked 1%, which is good. Wait till everything's at break even and see how I feel. Oh yeah. I know I'm not actually gonna rush it, don't worry. I'm chilling. I'm not gonna go back to 2% for a while. I'm gonna get back to break even, get a payout, fucking live life, then I'll think about going to 2%. I need to pass on my funded accounts first. Honestly, if I pass on my funded accounts, I can chill on 1%. 1%'s chilling. Like, if I make 1% a trade, I worked out a few days ago, someone was asking how much do I have? No, fuck. What's the total amount of capital I have in challenges and stuff? I thought it was like 2.5 million. I added it up and it's like 3.2. It's like, holy shit. I didn't even know. I've never counted it up before. But they're all just sat there in challenges still. I've got like a 1 mil, 500k, fucking like 7 or 8, like 200k accounts. So honestly, just with 1%, I'll be making fucking 30k. Obviously, that's without profit splits and all the stuff. No. Oh, yeah. A bunch of them are passed. I thought you said all of them passed. I fucking wish, mate. What prop do you recommend? I'm currently with Lark. I've not really heard many people with Lark. I know Cartel did a collab with Lark. I remember that. But I've never seen anyone trade with Lark. I've not heard bad things, though. The number one, 100%, is And obviously you got to play it safe at the minute because everyone's getting bummed left, right, and center. So FTMO, expensive, but probably the most reliable, and Alpha Capital, a lot cheaper, and also not just as reliable, but they're like probably the most solid, the solidest. Yeah. Where you got that 1 mil account? What for? Forex Funder, which are currently migrating, and they've been migrating for about 3 weeks now. So still not taking a fucking trade onto it. This one I've been thinking about. What about what? 1 second. Let me read that again. 1 second. This one I've been thinking about. What about? Oh, this one I've been thinking about. What about break even, risk 2%. If it loses, risk 1%. No matter the result of that one, risk 2% again. If that loses... Right, 1 sec. Full brain power for this bastard. Okay, we're at break even. Fuck it, right. I think I have a few problems. Break even, we risk 2%. Right? And then if it loses, you're at minus 2. We risk then 1%. And then if that loses, no matter the result of that one, risk 2% again. What? How does that make sense? So if it loses, so if we lose this trade, we go minus 2, then reduce your risk to 1%. But then no matter the result on that one, you then risk 2% again. Unlikely to lose 3 in a row. I'm not taking... No, I'm not going 2%, 1%, 2%. Fuck that. If that loses, you're at minus 3%, then repeat again by next trade, risk 1%, and then 2%, and on next. Fucking hell, Levy. I just keep it simple. That is confusing as shit, mate. Yeah. I think, no, just if you're at... I don't know, because that's... I don't know. Yeah, 1.5 and all, it's just easy. Because I was thinking, like, whilst you're at break even, just go 2%. But then if you lose a trade and go into drawdown, go to 1%. But then it's going to take you fucking 2 trades to get back to break even again. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Wayfam. How many trades did you lose and what happened? Why they went the other way? Oh, fucking PTSD, mate. I don't want to bring it up. Do you have an example? Yeah. Let me finish the analysis really quickly and then we'll go through them. I'll show you where I fucked up. One of them was stupid yellow folder JPY news that we didn't see and we got fucked. One of them was a really clean, beautiful trade. Wasn't really asked about that one. And then the other one was a weird one. It was Enza D Swiss, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it was this trade. So I took a trade from around this level. But as you can see, price had a reaction. So price had, like, this was technically the daily zone. Because obviously this zone was shit. That was the zone. As you can see, price made a move from this level and did like 40 pips. But I was like, no, I'm still happy. I'll take it from the higher level. Which was a bit of a silly decision. Because we already had a tap of that daily level. It's just because the daily level was so wide. It was technically only 40 pips as well. If this was like 200 pips, then yeah, fair play. But I took a trade from towards the high of this. Looking back, I couldn't see you taking that down. Nah, fuck that. No, I'd never take a trade like this again. No chance. As soon as the daily level, no matter how wide the daily level is, as soon as that daily level has been tapped into, the probability of that then giving a secondary reaction, fucking so much lower. So much lower. And that was a really, really silly trade. This level was horrible as well. I can't believe I took a trade from that disgusting level. If we would have seen just, a clean push straight into the high of this level, yeah, sure. But because we, the fact that we had a reaction from this, yeah, nah. I took Old Swiss instead and hit take profit. Fuck you, EB. Fuck off. Nah, so realistically, wouldn't have took two of those losses. Wouldn't have taken them now, because first of all, it was a yellow like CPI JPY news, which I didn't even know the yellow JPY news had like CPI and BOJ shit. So not going to make that mistake again. And that trade was shit. So to be fair, not even bothered. Right, let's carry on going through the analysis. Fucking hell. I said it was going to be a half an hour session. It's already an hour. 10 o'clock. It's my bedtime. Aussie CAD. Yeah, no, just that 61. Aussie Swiss, nothing. Aussie JPY. This does actually look really nice. Does it have a fib? Do we have a small fib? Not really. Do we have a bigger fib? Fuck. Let me see. Oh, the yellow folder you mentioned last week, indeed. Yeah. So like, if you have a look, people only look at red folder news. And you know, on red folder, you'll have like CPI, BOE shit. But what they don't show you is that most of the CPI, PPI, BOJ stuff is actually yellow impact on JPY. So what would normally be red impact on pound is yellow impact on JPY, even though it has the same impact. Doesn't make sense. So like, let's get a... Oh, to be fair... Oh, there isn't many this week, but last week, for example, there was quite a few. Monetary policy meeting minutes. Normally that's a red impact for USD. Well, quite a lot of the time it is. PPI, BOJ core CPI. These are all yellow, by the way. BOJ summary of opinions. What? How the fuck is that yellow? Unemployment rate, yellow. Yeah, you know, unemployment on USD is red. Unemployment on JPY, oh yeah, we're going to sneak it as a fucking yellow. So then you go and take a JPY trade and get spanked. So yeah, I've learnt my lesson from that as well. I just realised I'm like, sat so far fucking down. There we go. But anyway, yeah, that looks nice. I'm just going to whiz through these now because we've been fucking ages. As long as you guys are entertained. We have like dropped off, like half the people in the Discord are fucked off. They're like, yeah, he's just talking absolute bollocks. So we'll go. Aussie US dollar. Oh shit, we already went through that, did we? Oh fuck, Aussie dollar, US dollar, and Aussie CAD both have the same setup. Interesting. We'll ping that on. And then we also have that level down here, which doesn't line up. Not massively keen on it, unless again we see a hefty move straight through this level into that and some sort of alignment. Yeah, sure. DXY alignment, shit. Yeah, because we got the DXY level actually, so that could be potential with DXY. Let me mark an alert. Ping, 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 ping. We got a lot of Aussie dollar pairs next week. Okay, at least we got a few setups. Break and retest. Who would take this? Would any of you guys take this break and retest? Or is that too messy? Or would you be happy taking that? Is anyone else awake? Waveform. Oh, there we go. We got waveform. Lytix, no. This is what I had marked, but I thought you wouldn't like. Yeah, I'm not massively keen. I'm not keen on that fib either, Libby. I don't like that fib. I don't really think that's the right fib. That fib was fucked after this. After this move, that fib's fucked. The valid fib would, I mean, I'd either draw it from this level or even that level. Personally. That fib's, you know, after this, you wouldn't have drew the fib after that. Yeah, that's a shithole fib. So you would have deleted that and your new fib would have been from here. And again, yeah, you can class it from there if you want. So it's either that or you draw it from the most recent. They're the two I'd see. That one, I'm not massively keen. I always forget to redraw. Yeah, I mean, it's up to you. Some people use a fib like that, but I mean, if you want to be, you know, accurate, you definitely won't like my next setup. Oh, for fuck's sake. Tell me what pair it's on. And I'll see. NJ. Okay, we're close. Yeah, don't know if I'm keen on this. NCAD. We have a better break and retest on what was the other break and retest? Okay, we have Aussie NZD. We're looking for NZD weakness. So this could line up with NCAD, to be fair. That'd be nice. And then we have EuroCAD. Oh shit. Here we go. We have EuroCAD and NCAD. I much prefer this. This is way nicer, I think, personally. I think, in my opinion, I think this one's nicer. I know it's a little degen, bit small, but I think this is nicer. Oh shit, markets are open. Fucking hell. Right, let's go and have a look at NJ. That's shithole. No. What the fuck are you looking at? I don't even know what you're looking at. One sec. Right. The only two possible... No, I'm not going to look. One sec. I'm not going to look. The only two possible levels I see, this one and this one. Yeah, that 61 is sexy. Very sexy. 100... Oh, 200 pips. Oh my god. That is fucking beautiful. So we got a nice NJ sell. And then we've got that, which... Valid. Oh, what? Oh my god, what fucking fib do you draw on that? I ain't drawing some massive one. I think this one. Okay. Let's just see. I mean, I don't hate it. Obviously, that fib's a bit shit, but... Going down. Oh shit, it's the exact same. Yeah, not the most amazing place to draw the fib from. Oh fuck, what have I done? But it's not exactly the worst fib in the world. I've seen people draw some horrific fibs. You know what? No, I don't hate it. That's alright. It's not that bad. I mean, we'll most likely see some sort of alignment as well. JPY pairs always align. Like, there's fucking hell, I don't know why I keep on burping. Like, there's so much alignment across JPY all the time. Yeah, we'll keep an eye on it. I don't actually dislike that one too much. This is shit. If I see anyone taking this trade, it's 100 pips, but I do not like that at all. Like, why the fuck would you sabotage capital for this type of trade when you've got a way fucking sexier level just here? Like, people don't think about that. Like, they'll happily take a trade now whilst they're fucking practicing on a 10k funded. But imagine if you were dealing with, let's say, 100 million. Would you take this little shithole level? You'd be like, fuck no, no chance. I'm not risking like $1 million on that. So why the fuck are you risking it now? Like, there's no point being a degen, and just because you haven't taken a trade in 3 days, taking this shithole trade. Just chill. Chill for a few days and you're going to have a way nicer setup. That's probably got an extra 20% chance of working. This is probably like a 50-50 chance. Or would you rather wait a potential 4 more days and take a fucking 85% trade? I know which one I'll do. Obviously, this is a fucking coin flip. I mean, it's not. It's probably, you know, if it does line up with shit, then yeah, it probably has a fair chance. But I would rather go for, you know, the big statistics. And you, fuck all. USD CAD. And this is just shit. You got this, you've got this, you've got all this. That is just one big fuck off. I'd rather wait for this level down here. And then for sells, this has been tapped fucking 300 times. I'm not asked about that. I'll wait for a break and retest though. That'll be sexy. So yeah, nothing on here. USD Swiss. Break and retest? Where the fuck did I draw that fib from? Ooh. Would you take that break and retest? Who's taking that and who's not? That break and retest. You've got like 2 little levels here and then you have like a messy break. Who's taking that and who's not? Better than the other one. Completely agree. Would you take it though? And this, for example, is 140, 150. Here's the 4 hour. Had a little rejection and a messy thing. Would you take that? Let's see. Throw 0.5 on it. Throw 0.5. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, it's not the worst. It's all right. If we see like a really nice move into it, and you know, like some sort of alignment, if like DXY aligns, fuck yes, I'll take it happily. Done. Boomf. Yeah, boomf. Instant take. But you know, if If there's no ATR, no alignment, the move into it's a bit weird. You do have the psych level just above as well. Yeah, it could actually be alright, to be fair. I'm going to mark it out. We'll see. UJ, fuck all. CAD Swiss, fuck all. CAD fuck all. Swiss, JPY. Nothing really there, is there? You got that. Fuck all. That is about it. So to be fair, we actually have a few setups. Aussie dollar is looking bloody horny this week. We got a lot of things. Have a few break and retests. Euro CAD. Oh, go on. Actually, no, don't push, actually. What do we have? Oh, tomorrow's bank holiday, so we got fuck all tomorrow. JPY, Tankan Manufacture. What the fuck is that? USD 3 p.m. Oh, fuck, Canadian dollar. USD news quite often has a little, it's little bum buddies with USD, so it'll have an effect on CAD. Well, depends on the strength of the news. If it's like minimal news, then it probably won't do fuck all to CAD. But if it's hefty news for the US dollar, you most likely see it affect the CAD as well. So if you didn't notice, then yeah, it does. So just be careful. Yeah, so I think EuroCAD's looking sexy. US news, non-farm roll, payroll. What the fuck did I just say? US news, non-farm payroll on Friday. Oh shit, yeah, it's April. April 1st. Should we? Oh wait, no, it's not. Fuck, that's tomorrow. It's April 1st tomorrow. Should we prank everyone in the server? What should we say? I remember last year I put a big announcement out that the server's going paid. The amount of people that fell for it. Like, no, are you being serious? False trade. Oh my god, yeah. Oh my god, yeah. Right, we're gonna pick a shit set, like a shitty level like this, and I'm gonna ping it out. No one say anything, and we'll see how many people say like, oh, where are you looking for entry? I'll put like a proper signal. I'll put like entry, stop loss, take profit, everything. Yeah, I'll put everything on it, and it'll be a shitter. Like GU looking for a buy from like this little tiny level or something. Maybe don't ping in case someone takes. No, I'm fucking pinging. I don't care if they take. If they're stupid enough to blindly follow me, then they deserve to lose a trade anyway. Come on, have I not fucking disciplined people enough over the past year? Like, I think most people in the MCR chat, like, it started off like last year when we went on like the crazy win streaks and shit ton of people were taking my signals. From that point onward, I disciplined the fuck out of people. I'd say, oh yeah, I'm exiting the trade, like it's not going well, and fucking 3 people will exit it. I'm like, I'm only joking. Like, oh, I fucking just closed it at a loss. Like, you fucking monk. Just like monkeys just blindly following. And I think like now, well, people used to panic like fuck as soon as we were in a trade. Oh, it's gonna hit stop loss. It's gonna hit stop loss. Now I think everyone's chilling now. Everyone's learned. Like, you do your own thing. If you think it's gonna work, you hold. If you don't like the trade, you don't take. Like, it doesn't matter what everyone else thinks. If you like the trade, you go for it. If it loses, good. You learned your lesson. Don't fucking listen to someone else. Someone just said, where do you put your signals? They're not necessarily, well, technically they are signals. If you join a server, there's a little section called Start Here and Getting Started. Go to Start Here and you'll see like different things, select markets you're interested in, analysis, callouts, opt-in notifications, and then you have Leon's mentorship. You just click this little bad boy here and it unlocks all these channels. I'm going to get rid of forward test because I don't fucking do that anymore. I'm not arsed. But I post analysis in here. Then I post all my trades I take in this one. I then post like video breakdowns in this one. And then I post like the odd mentorship thing in fucking hell, why did it start at the beginning of the thing? In here. Like little flowchart thing and shit. Yeah, so it's just in the Discord. Completely free again. Right, sounds good. I'm gonna pretty much end it there. Say you're selling UJ at the level it's currently at. Nah, it's not April 1st yet. I'll wait until tomorrow. No, I can't say. No, if I say selling this now, no, people will actually take it. Should I? Oh, no, I don't know. Yeah, no. but I'll do it that outrageous where it's like, if you don't question it, you're stupid. I'll say like, should I put like, you know, selling GU now, order block, 15-minute mitigation, I'll put like, it'll be like pound dollar, I'll put alignment with euro JPY, something like that. Should I do that? So, you know, it doesn't make sense at all. Yeah, okay, I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah. I'll do it tomorrow. Sound. And yeah, I think I'm gonna start. Oh, I'm gonna put the one-to-one mentorship shit out soon, just for the newbies, the new people, or for the people that just want, you know, to have a one-on-one chat and talk about shit, or you're struggling with shit. It's mainly for the new people though, because quite a few people don't really like the group stuff, which is fair. So, and obviously I can't really do free one-to-one stuff. Yeah. Fuck me, I might start charging for MCR, honestly. And these breakdowns could fucking make so much money. Charge like £100 a month. I need to start making money on my trading first. Fucking hell. Trading's been shit. I can't really sell it for £100 a month if we took a 3-loss streak. Once we go on like a 5-win streak there, I'll up the price and we'll, you know, start charging £50 a month. Light work. There you go. I can go to Thailand early. No, I'm only joking. I'm not actually going to do that. What times and days do you do the group sessions? If you hop to this, go to the Discord and go to the very, very, very top, you'll see events and you'll see when I do them. Leon's Breakdown, weekly, Sunday. And then I do the mentorship session. Don't know why the picture's not there. Every Thursday. The time changes though. It's not always at 12 o'clock. And that's more like, if you, fucking hell, if you're having troubles with something, your psychology's fucked, you can't pass a funded account, you're struggling with the strategy, you want me to do some back testing, you want me to go over a certain pair, you want me to explain something, you want to ask about my trading, my life, I don't know, whatever, literally anything. That's just like an hour or 2 hours of me just pretty much think of it as like a one-on-one session, but it's completely free. So the more questions you ask, the more value you're getting out of it. So yeah. What is your last win in profits? As in like money? Or are you asking like what trade was it? I mean, technically it was 0 because I'm in drawdown, so yeah, technically 0. Or do you actually want like the amount on like my live funded account, or I don't know, whatever. Oh shit. I'll wait for you to reply, then I'll end the YouTube. Value. Yeah, but like oh, well, for like my live funded account, I closed it at 5k. But I'm technically in drawdown, so it's, I mean, yeah, it's profit, but not profit. What's your biggest win? What on like a...
Yep. Say 2 million.
2 million. As in biggest win like live money on a funded account, like a challenge account, a live funded account, like what? Or like my personal account? Because, I mean... Yeah, I'm in New Zealand and new here. Can I watch a live sessions recorded anywhere when I can't watch live? Yes, of course you can. I will tag you in it. Well, I'll post the channel. There you go. Live streams. I'll post this in that channel in about 2 minutes. In one trade. No, I know you're saying in one trade, but I mean like just literally my biggest win like on any challenge account, any funded account, any live account. Like, I don't know. You gotta be a bit more specific, man. My biggest win was €3,000. Yeah, you know. Never mind. Right, I'm gonna end the... Oh, I'll wait for you to reply. Go on, AB. Just specify, like, on What? Any account? Oh, right, okay. About 40,000.
Was that the 1M?
The 2M. Yeah, about 40k. I think a little bit more actually, about 50 maybe.
How many pips was that?
Just 30. No, I think about 40 actually.
Wait, what? Bro, that's
Yeah.
crazy, man.
Yeah. Right, okay. Now I'm gonna end the YouTube. Thanks for asking all those questions, AB. I appreciate it, mate. Yeah, it's nice. Tough luck it's on a fucking funded account, a challenge. But yeah. To be fair though, once you like once I got past a 200k account, like the money, yeah, USD, yeah, the money just did not like affect me at all. Like when I first went on a 200k account and it's like risking like 2,000 to 4,000 per trade, I was like, shit, that's actually quite a bit. And especially when it went live and, you know, I'm now actually funded with 200k and stuff. It is actually quite a bit. But after that, like when it got past 200k and it was like 500k, 1 mil, 2 mil, you just, I don't know, it's more, just you numbers. See it as a game. Yeah, you just see it as a game, to be honest. It's like, okay, yeah, 40k, pretty cool. But is what it is. Many lots then to get that in just a few pips. Yeah, I think I was placing about anywhere from 100 to 300 lots per trade, which is crazy.
Which broker did you use?
It was with the funding traders, and it was with
the one that was screwing type of shit.
No, they were completely legit. But their rules were weird as fuck for the big accounts. I only changed them multiple times. Sorry, I'm stuffing my face like a fat pitch. Like whilst I was doing a challenge, they completely changed the rules, and then like changed them a second time, and it fucked me up. It was so stupid. That was with funding traders. It was and yeah, it was on a funded. No worries, mate. I'll see you next week. I need to get used to the numbers still. When using 20 to 40 lots, the numbers go fast. You don't look at it then. Don't look at the trade. I don't sit there and look at the
time, to be honest.
I'll look at the trading view chart, but I'll never sit there. I'm like my MetaTrader. I never look at it. Obviously, I only look at it once I hit take profit, or if I hit stop loss, I won't look at it. But I'll only look at it when I enter the trade and when it hits take profit. Apart from that, I never go on a MetaTrader. I'll sit there on trading view though. Just don't get addicted to the numbers. There's no point. Right, I'm gonna fuck off. Go watch a film or something.
Mrs.
Nah, on my own.
Oh, good.